Oh, he's right there. Oh my God. Don't scream underneath them. If you scream, you might scare them. They might drop something on us. Ew. Guys, come back under here now. We have no way to clean that. Trace? Quiet, stop screaming. Quiet, stop. You know what to say? Check them out. They're right here. This is check them out. Today seems to be bird day.
Those have to be vultures.
There's a couple still over here. They're getting the last of the warm water for now.
Hey, I think I'm gonna use the two of these together.
That'd be cool.
Actually, we'll make
Check
one
them all
more.
out. Look at this. They're everywhere. Oh my God. This looks like a scene for the birds. Oh my God.
Let's go. Let's go.
Jeez.
Let's get under something.
Where are we going?
That way.
Come on,
Follow
under.
me.
This looks like a scene from the birds, really. Oh, scary.
They're everywhere.
Yeah, they are. It must be the weather. Okay, check him out. Oh my God. Is he gonna be okay? He just ate a whole bone.
Looks okay.
Wow, how did he swallow that? Check these guys out. Is he okay?
So are you gonna hire him like him?
Well, I don't want him to get hurt.
You swallow a whole fish.
Yeah, but fish don't have solid bones, babe. That was a turkey leg bone. He seems okay. He's flying away. Oh my God, how cool. This is like bird day here. Check this place out. Oh my God.